Using a Santander joint account can be a convenient and efficient way to manage your finances with a partner or family member. To get started, first, you and the other account holder will need to visit a Santander bank branch and provide the necessary identification documents. The bank will guide you through the application process, which typically involves filling out a form and providing proof of address and identity. Once your joint account is open, you can manage it online, by phone, or in person at a Santander branch. You will both receive a debit card and will be able to access the account using your individual login credentials online or through the mobile banking app. It is essential to discuss and agree on how you will use the account, including how you will make decisions about spending and budgeting. To make transactions, you can use your debit card, set up direct debits, or make transfers online or through the mobile app. You can also set up standing orders to make regular payments to the same recipient. It is crucial to keep track of your account activity and monitor your balance regularly to avoid overdrafts and unnecessary fees. One of the key benefits of a joint account is that both account holders have equal access and control over the account. However, it is essential to be aware that you will both be liable for any debts or overdrafts on the account. To avoid any potential issues, it is recommended that you discuss and agree on your financial goals and budget with the other account holder. In addition to the standard features, Santander joint accounts also offer additional benefits, such as overdraft protection and the ability to set up savings goals. You can also take advantage of Santander's mobile banking app, which allows you to check your balance, make transactions, and receive notifications on the go. To get the most out of your Santander joint account, it is recommended that you set up account alerts, which will notify you of any suspicious activity or changes to your account. You should also consider setting up a budget and tracking your spending to ensure you are making the most of your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your Santander joint account to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals.